Hello all, let's dive into the video. Hoover Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River, on the border between the US states of Nevada and Arizona. It was constructed between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression and was dedicated on 30th September 1935 by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. It is the highest concrete arch gravity dam in the United States, at 726 feet, 221 meters, high and 1,244 feet, 379 meters, long at the crest. It contains 4,400,000 cubic yards, 3,360,000 cubic meters, of concrete. The dam's hydroelectric power plant has a generating capacity of 2,080 megawatts, which is enough to power 1.3 million homes. It has over 7 million visitors each year. The dam was originally named Boulder Dam, but was renamed Hoover Dam in 1947. The dam's construction cost over $49 million, would be equivalent to over $700 million today. Over 96 workers died during the construction of dam, most of them from accidents. The dam's power plant was the world's largest hydroelectric station from 1939 to 1949. Thank you.